Hi guys! Today I will be showing you what I found at the beach in Bathurst, New Brunswick during my last summer there. First, you can see two mussel shells in the sand. Those two are empty, but they usually have a mussel in them which you can boil and eat. Those 5 shells you see now are called bigorneaux, or how I call them in French, barlicoco. They are home to the mollusk called the wing-cold. Next are razor clams. Those are edible and particularly delicious when fried. You can find them by digging them out of sand dunes. That cute round shell is called a sand dollar. It is flat and a very tiny organism lives in it. It doesn't do much except look pretty. The green piece in the middle of the rocks is a piece of polished sea glass. It is created when broken glass is dropped into the sea and the water polishes its sharp edges. Last are the seagulls. Those birds wait for the low tides to go fish for food. They enjoy tiny crabs the most. Thank you for listening to me. I hope this will encourage you to go on your own adventure by the beach.